Everyone is talking about drop shipping, but nobody is talking about this. A complete free AI tool called Claude can help you build a digital product business that make over $1,652 every single month with zero inventory, zero shipping, and zero supplies. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. Let's get into it. Before then, I want to show you something. Look at this comparison. This is why I quit dropshipping and switched to digital products. Look at it. These are the two comparisons between dropshipping and digital products. As you can see, in dropshipping, inventory needed, shipping required, supply required, cost money to start, inconsistent income. You work every day before you sell. Then digital products, no inventory, no shipping, no supply, completely free. Passive income, you create once and sell forever. So with drop shipping, you work every single day to make a sale, and with digital products, you create it once and sell it forever. This is why Claude AI digital products completely destroy drop shipping every single day. Let's continue. This is how you can make over $1,652 every single month if you can do this simple step. This is your product price. $27. Daily sales, you make 3 sales in a day. Daily income is $81 when you sell 3 digital products in a day, so you make $81. Then weekly income is $567 and monthly income is $1,652. So this is how it works. Okay, now the amazing part of it, you know that if you create this product, you can launch it in different platforms. As you are launching this, that is how you make your money. For example, if you launch it in Gumroad, you launch it in Etsy, you launch it in Seller, you launch it in Pinterest, all these platforms, you can make not less than 10 sales in all these platforms, combine these together, and you are making massive money for yourself. So this is how it works. Okay, let's continue. And you use your email and register it. So when you register it, it will bring you to this interface. This is where you do your work. First thing you are going to do after signing up with a Claude AI, if you want to start your digital product, first thing is to select product to sell. So I'm going to drop a prompt to a Claude AI to create for us. Look at this prompt. Give me profitable digital product ideas for content creator that I can create in Canva and sell on Gumroad. So let's see what Claude AI is going to give us. Let's watch. He's thinking, doing research. So this is what I would have been thinking, cracking my brain how to do it. It will take me hours probably throughout the day to do it. As you can see, Claude AI is putting everything down for us. So after Claude AI put everything down, we are going to download it, then take it to Canva and design it. So as you can see, everything is ready within a second. As you can see, it's putting everything down. So you come to this place, you download. So as you can see, what Claude AI have created for us. So let me zoom it. Content performance. Track your performance, improve your results, platform metrics, this month, and so on. So right now, as you can see, it's session by session. Look at this one. So right now, we are going to choose one of these and design it in Canva. I'm going to choose a content performance. Before we start, I'm going to tell you some certain things before we start. I normally do this because of new beginners. This is our workplace. It's very empty. If you look here, you will see rulers. If you want to create a digital product, you make sure you use your ruler so that you will not make mistakes. Nobody will like to buy something that is not on a straight line. So you have to bring this ruler here, then you drag this one, come here. Okay, you come up, bring this one here, and also come up, bring this one here. As you can see, so this will make your work to be on a straight line. Okay, so the next thing you have to do, if you want to do your work, maybe you don't like this off-white background, so you want to choose another background, just come to this place, just tap anywhere around the workplace, it will pop out this. You just click here. As you can see, you see different colors that you can use in any of these colors. So but in this tutorial, we're going to use this off-white. Okay, and design what you want to design. Go to text, click text. I'm going to make sure this video will not take too long. I'm going to type content performance. You minimize, bring it up here. You come to position, you balance it at the center, close it a little bit. Next thing we are going to put down here again is track your performance and improve your results. stretches very well. You minimize, you bring it back, so you bring it up here. The next thing we are going to put down is platform. We'll come to text, you write platform, bring it here, you minimize, you bring it here. The next thing we need now is line. Come to alignment, here you type line, look at it here, you click it. So right now this line is too thick, so we are going to reduce it to 2. Okay, what you have to do is come to this place. As you can see, it's 4, then you make it 2. You bring it here, you stretch it. Next thing we are going to put down is metrics this month and last month. So these are the things we are going to put down right now. Use this and duplicate, you bring it down, you minimize, you bring it here, come to position and balance it well at the center as well. What you are going to put down again is view, like, comment, share and followers. These are the things you are going to bring down. So double click the platform, then you duplicate, you bring it down. So you type view, duplicate again, you bring it here. Right now we need line, duplicate this one, bring it down, then you turn it, bring the line here, duplicate these lines. So I have to do duplicate, then we bring it, you turn it. Okay, it's an straight line, bring it down here, then you duplicate. So you have to duplicate all of them. You duplicate, then you bring it here. These 4 corner lines are just fixed now. We're going to reduce it. Okay, just come to transparency, just reduce it a little bit. Okay, make it 60. Then come to this place also, make this one 60. So we are going to put notes. Come to text and you delete, you type notes, then you bring it down, image, put it there, you duplicate, you bring it down here, bring this one here, you zoom it, you bring it down. The next thing we are going to do, we need a tape. You come to alignment, you click alignment, you come to this place. Let's make use of this tape. Then you bring that tape here, you wide it, you stretch it, you stretch the tape, bring it like this. Come to transparency, then reduce this tape, reduce it. Good. So let's make use of this flower. Bring this flower here, then stretch the flower, stretch this. You come to position, come to back, then you click it, send it back, come to transparency, then you reduce it again so that it won't be visible, as you can see. So you lighten it very well. Nice one. So this is how to create content performance. Okay, as you can see, everything is well aligned, very neat. So this is how it's been done. So right now I am going to show you how to export it and also show you a platform where you are going to launch your product. Okay, please, if you need more of this product, please go to my comment, you will see the link and download it and start selling it. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. So now let's go. You come to share, then you come to download, and you come to this place. Please, as you can see, we have a JPG, we have PNG, we have PDF standard, we have PDF print, and so on and so forth. Please do not export it in any other way except PDF print so that people out there can download it and make use of it. So you will use PDF print, click PDF print, it will be exported. Okay, that is how to export this project. And again, as I said, this is in bundle. Okay, if you make it complete bundle, you can sell it more money. But if you decide to sell it partition by partition like this one, you can also sell it like this. Just you can place your price $5, $7, $15, depend the way you want to place your price. But before you place your price, you go to the market, know what others are selling before you place your own price. Okay, but for me, I love to do it, have complete bundle so that I can launch it. The next thing we are going to do is to go to a platform where you will sell your products. I click. Good. So as you can see, this is Gumroad platform. This is a platform. It's a store where you launch your product. As you can see, look at the prices, different product and their prices. If you scroll down, you can see, look at this one, pre-sale to the moon. Look at it and look at the price, $675. Look at this one. So this is where you will sell your product, and this is where all the whole magic is happening. As you can see, if you scroll down, a lot of them. So how do you register in this Gumroad? It's very simple. Just use your email and register, fill the necessary information, put your bank account, you are good to go. Okay, let me just walk you through the platform. So as you can see, this is one of my products that I launched. So I launched this product $5. As you can see, look at it here, $5. I launched this product. So if you come to this place, you can see products, collaborator, checkout, email, workflow, sell, analytics, affiliates, payout, discovery, and library. So this is how this platform works. There you have it, exactly how Claude AI can help you build a digital product business that makes over $1,652 every single month. Forget dropshipping. Digital products are smarter, faster, and completely free way to build online business in 2026. This is how it works. Thank you so much, and I love you guys. Shalom.